Ugh.
It's going to make its way all the way down to Houston and even New Orleans with highs only in the low 50s. And for our friends in Florida who have been waiting desperately for some cooler weather, it looks like the cool weather will finally arrive for you by the time we get to Monday and Tuesday of next week. So enjoy what should be a beautiful weekend. So,